Hello there everyone, welcome back to the Wolf, and in today's video I will discuss about the price of Bitcoin as it is pumping quite incessantly to the upside because tomorrow is going to be an ETF news, Bitcoin spot ETF. I would say last date I would say for the SEC to either approve it or reject the ETF, and so people are just buying and buying Bitcoin in FOMO, taking long positions with leverage just because to make some quick money. And let me tell you that it's not I would say that money won't last long because if you want to make money, do proper analysis and trading or investing. And it's just a greed and I would say FOMO in the crypto market right now, because as you already know, the price of crypto is pumping like a straight line like this from the past couple of weeks, and I'll show you all in the chart. So, and our S&P 500 trade is also going in against us, so let's see what to do. This is the Bitcoin's weekly time frame chart right here, and as I was talking about that the price of Bitcoin was pumping in a straight line, and the same thing is happening. You can clearly see no red candle. We only saw some, I would say, consolidation here for few weeks, and then again it is pumping straight up. So let me tell you that either the price of Bitcoin is being manipulated, and I'm 100% sure it is because of the spot Bitcoin ETF and all this FOMO and FUD going on in the crypto world, because people are trying to make easy money to just buy Bitcoin, go long, leverage, and just make some money. That, oh okay, so price action is forming correctly. Like there was this resistance, the price broke this, so the next level of resistance is all the way up till here at this important blue zone at 46, I would say from 44,600 to $48,000 level. This is the most important zone right here, and the price is, I would say, coming near and near it. And as you guys already saw in my previous video, I informed you that if the price of Bitcoin comes near $48,000 level and then it shows some kind of a reversal to the downside, any indication, then I will definitely go short, or I would wait for some time to either consolidate a bit and then break out of this $48,000 level. Then I will definitely go long as well, because then my easy target would be all the way up till $62,000. Switching to the daily time frame, I hope you can see this. So there was a rising wedge formation. Well, I don't trade on patterns much, but just to know, just for the knowledge, that rising wedge are bearish patterns, and but the price of Bitcoin did a bullish breakout. It's okay, no problem in that. But what I'm seeing is that this pump came last night, just some hours before this today's daily candle opening. I mean, a lot of FOMO in the crypto market, that's for sure, because tomorrow will be the spot Bitcoin ETF application from SEC. So people are just buying and buying and buying again because they think that the price will go up. Yes, it will go up, but I don't think so there's any point of buying right now. And why I'm saying that there's no point of buying, because if the application of Bitcoin spot ETF gets accepted also, I mean, it's a disaster for you guys only, because your own Bitcoin, your, I would say, the Bitcoin that you are supposed to buy will be holded by some other institutions, will be bought by some other institutions, and the price will get manipulated a lot, I would say, in the future, because the majority of Bitcoin will be held by them only. And if you apply for the ETF also, like if you join in the ETF, then also you will not hold your any of your Bitcoin, they will hold. And there's a saying also that not your keys, not your crypto. So if you don't have your own crypto, then what's the point of that? So I would say that the price will pump of Bitcoin definitely, but what's the point? How much will you make? 100, 200%? Barely. But this is not good, I would say, for crypto. But people are only seeing positive and good news and bullish news in the crypto market. Right now, this is, I would say, tomorrow will be the final deadline of SEC for the one application that was offered by ARK21 shares. This is a company that will issue spot Bitcoin ETF. So that's why people are just buying and buying, because if this company's application is accepted, then obviously Grayscale and other more big companies ETF will also get accepted. So that's why people are just buying and buying in FOMO. So I would say that okay, it is okay to buy in FOMO, but don't be too much greedy. I would say, like opening long leverage positions and like this, because obviously a mass I would say long liquidation squeeze will happen and all your trades will be in loss only. So according to my analysis, I was bearish on S&P 500 and my analysis was perfect also. I am sure, I am confident on my analysis, and the price did a breakdown, did fall heavily, and its next target was this important support level, that was my take profit, but it is reversing from the middle. So let me show you why. This is S&P 500 chart, and I made a video that I will be going short on S&P 500 here, and my target will be all the way down till here at 4584. So the I would say analysis was perfect. The price was seeing a dump to the downside, but on Friday, last Friday, after this doji neutral candle, I told you that I will be booking some profits, I would say some kind of profits, and yesterday's candle, you can see a huge green candle, not much volume also, I would say only 29,000 30,000 I would say approx volume, and still the price is pumping to the upside. I don't know why it is happening, because if you see at the past, I would say whenever the price of S&P 500 did a rejection from this zone right here, this zone is from 4770 approx and 4820 approx. So whenever the price of S&P 500 did a rejection from here, it, I would say, always went to this target first, this green line, which is my take profit this time also. So I would say my analysis was perfect, because let me tell you one more thing. As you can clearly see, the price of S&P 500 pumping all green candles incessantly, I would say, not even one red candle, all breakout of resistance. And you know that whenever a price did a breakout of a resistance, it always sometimes consolidate or retest to the downside also. But this time nothing happened. The price is pumping like, I would say, straight line like Bitcoin. And now look closely, this right here, this volume, this one, this volume, the price of S&P 500 did a pump. Then you can clearly see how the volume is decreasing of the bulls, and also the candles are also decreasing in their I would say size. You can see big candle, small, and then the volume also small and small, and then one bearish large, I would say, engulfing candle comes with a decent amount of volume covering all the three past candles. So this is obviously a bearish sign only, and also this is coming at a very important resistance. So I would say that's what the main reason was for me to enter in a short position in S&P 500. But right now I would say it is going against me. So what is my next plan? So I already booked some profits here. What I'll do is I will just hold my trade, because I'm still in I would say not in a hope, but I'm sure that maybe the price of S&P 500 will go again to this important resistance, and then can see some kind of a rejection, a heavy rejection again to the downside. So that's why I'll wait for some time now. Yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand that what is happening in the price of Bitcoin, and how it is pumping like incessantly without any, I would say, reason, just pumping and pumping. And the price of S&P 500 is going against me. It's okay, I will see what to do. Obviously if it will go I would say like a lot of against me, then I will cut my losing trade as soon as possible. But I already booked some profits there, and yeah, let's see what happens tomorrow because of the spot Bitcoin ETF of ARK21. So let's see. I would suggest you not to be too much greedy and too much in a FOMO just to buy Bitcoin trade, and no, that's not how it works. You have to do your proper analysis as well, and then only trade or invest. Don't just listen to the Twitter rumors and all the FUD and going on there. So yeah, this is it for today's video. If you want to trade Bitcoin, you can do that on Bybit. You can create an account on Bybit, link is in the description. You can get up to $30,000 gift, and you can create an account for free. And if you want to trade S&P 500 and US index like Nasdaq or Dow Jones or Forex or commodity, you can do that on Xness. Create an account on Xness for free and you can get a $1,000 gift. Link of Xness in the description and in the pinned comments. See you guys next time.